I have this jump rope about 5 years or something. This is from Nike and I bought this in Mexico. I'm not sure if it's still possible to buy or not. About 3 years I've been jumping with this, and unfortunately those start to cut here. I think it was because of my mistake. I left this in our balcony and now it's super dry. Never got wet, but it was under the sun, so it's just start to cut here. This material is like a leather or something, but I'm thinking to change this to wire, like a heavy wire, because this one has inside some metal things for weights. You see here the hole, and this one goes inside and you have it heavy in your hands, and that activates more muscles for your hands and shoulders. I like to switch during my workouts from the heavy one to my speed one, and if I change this wire it will be like super heavy to super light. This is very good. Just 2 minutes after doing the last video, and today I will go to some shops to see if there are some options like to change this wire, and I will change it. We'll have a heavy jump rope. So I'm in Obi now and I'm trying to fix my rope, and I can see here we have these kind of ropes. Of course I can just go ahead and buy one which is on Amazon, but I don't like to change my handles, and of course I'm very happy to do things my own. So this is my handle. This one has a little bit cover, which is good, but this is not that heavy as I want. And this one doesn't have a cover, but this one is bigger. I like it, but I will take the other one. Just now I found this place where I have another variants of these things. So my plan is it's gonna be very good. Let's buy the rest of the stuff and see which one fits better and go back to test it. So I bought the all stuff and going home now to put them together to see how it goes. And it's almost dark now. Yesterday it was already late and I haven't done anything, so I'm very excited to see how it works. So let's put them together.